I was doing some research on Sear. Sear is a deep value stock that I found a couple of years ago now. It was back in May of 24 when I put out my original post and my original thesis on the stock. It was trading less than its net cash on the balance sheet, which is really cheap. And a lot of times companies that are this cheap, they're trading for less than their net cash, which is cash minus all their liabilities. Companies that are this cheap, they're usually going bankrupt. I mean, the market has no expectations for their growth. They do have some revenue. It's a biotech, and they have a proteomic platform that is competitive with all the other ones. It's a little different. They're all a little different, but they have a good one, and their one of their competitors, SomaLogic, got bought out. SomaLogic, one of their competitors, there's obviously value in their platform because they got bought out a couple of years ago, not long after I did a write up on them on my newsletter. So there's definitely some value here in this, and I see the future with AI and drug discovery and genomics, epigenetics, machine learning, and AI has already been really deep in biotech research. But anyway, so that led me to find this one other company, Nautilus Biotech, and this Nautilus, they have interesting platform. Apparently, it seems to be one of the best ones. It's going to be the best one, but it's not established yet. They just launched it like a couple months ago, and they're looking to do a commercial launch late this year. And it can analyze like up to a billion proteins at one time, like as an array. It uses like a iterative mapping. It's a different kind of technology. I'm not an expert by any means in this field, so I just kind of learn what I can about it. But it looks really promising, and it's even maybe better than Sears. But Sear is really good for making Sear is good for new discovery. The Nautilus, it's already up a lot here, and it looks just like it's consolidating. It's like a consolidation pattern we've got going right here. So I'm just gonna watch and wait and see if it breaks over any of these levels here. If it breaks over the 230s, that's gonna have momentum back. And it definitely looks like a consolidation. I mean, there's not a lot of sell volume going on here, and it could be interesting. Like apparently the market's kind of depressed right now for the funding. Like there's not a lot of spending going on these platforms right now. But I see in the next couple of years, as AI improves, like AI is taking over coding, it's going to take over a lot more industries, and this is like the perfect one for it to take over. Of course, there's more like wet lab stuff to do. You have to do like some physical experimentation and physical work, but I see the future looking really bright with AI involved in this industry. So that's why I'm bullish on these companies here and not. I do have the lab. They bought SomaLogic, and I've got I like this stock too long term. It's depressed too, and QSI is another one. I like them. They're really cheap. Like these stocks are really cheap.